aralin ko muna yan, no? Sa akin lang naman, ang number one, syempre, is yung safety muna. But of course, yung nuclear power is cheap, per se, in terms of direct cost. But of course, the capital expense is very, it's very costly, so to say. Ay, wala po akong ano dun eh. Sa akin lang, okay, kung may murang kuryente, basta safe, sustainable, and built in a place where hindi siya kumbaga prone sa mga calamities like earthquake and ano yun, yung tidal wave and storm surge, no? Okay naman siguro yun. We'll see kasi let's see the view of the international community on that. And of course, that of the national government. Of course, ang basbas kasi is kung ano ang direksyon at kumpas ng ating national government, yun ang siyempre susundan natin. No?